Hello Internet, Enduin here. Today I want to share a game that I've been programming with you. It's in the very early stages right now. This is just a simple development log, and the game is going to be a real-time strategy. It's very simple. The gameplay will consist of building buildings to maybe build up your economy or maybe build up your units. The economy will probably be automated. I may add in resources. I'm not sure how that'll work yet. But your units will spawn automatically and run out and decide what to do on their own. I think I'll give you options on setting priorities of what they do, such as maybe defending, maybe exploration, or maybe attacking, like in trying to finish off an opponent. Right now, as you can see, there's a bunch of little guys running around. I have some basics. I have basic game infrastructure coded, like handling terrain, handling pathfinding, having entities, going through, drawing entities, dealing with what they do, having different types of entities. And one thing that I just recently added is this fortress. So originally I was just drawing the color here for which player. See the blue ones versus the red ones. But I added in some image masking, so I can draw this fortress here or come down here, and this one is blue. So it depends on which player. The pathfinding is just some basic A-star pathfinding, but it handles, weights. So the mountains they don't want to walk on. An example right here is this guy has decided to go all the way around here instead of just walking straight through the bottom. Even though he can walk on the mountains, they cost more to walk on, and so this path ends up faster if you take that into account. So there's very simple pathfinding. I threw in a bunch of units. They're just randomly finding places to go right now. Just sort of for me to see the pathfinding and verify that it can run. And I have some very basic user interface here. You can select which building you're going to build, but that's it. The structure underneath is there to handle a heads-up display. These buttons can get shifted anywhere. I can have any number of them depending on how many types of buildings you can have. So the next steps for me are really to flesh out the game. I need to actually, maybe decide what type of art I'm going to use. This is some public domain art right now that somebody put up, which is very nice art, but hopefully I'd like to find somebody to make some art to make everything match. Like this terrain here, I just threw together simple sort of randomized color terrain, but it doesn't really fit with this art. So at some point I'll have to decide on how to deal with that. But it's going to be very simple. I don't want anything extreme. I'm not trying to remake StarCraft. It's not going to be that good. It is going to stay tile-based for now. And I believe that that's all. So there are the technical details of how I'm building it. If you're interested in that, is I'm writing it in Java. I'm using the Slick 2D Java game programming library. I'm coding it with NetBeans, and I'm using Git and BitBucket for source control. So I believe that that's all I have for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.